Okay, so I'm done with my eye makeup, as you see. So we're going for our cheeks. So I'm going to use this color. It's a peachy color, and it's really good for summer. Really pretty for summer. Just going to get my angled brush, okay, and just tap it on the apple of my cheeks. So pretty. My video was cut. That's why I need to show you what happened next. So I think the video was cut on the part where I'm putting like highlight on this part. So I'm not sure if you saw it, that I did put some white eyeliner from Wet n Wild. So I put a white eyeliner on my waterline to make my eye more open my eye more, and to make my eye super like super it will emphasize, it will emphasize. Okay, and the lipstick that I'm going to use is a pink lipstick. So let's just get my brush for the lips. I don't know, where is it there? So I'm going to use like just a light color of pink. This one. This color. I'm going to use this color. Try it. Okay, and I love this color because it's like so light. It's pretty. It's really good for summer colors. Okay, so it's really light. As you can see, it's really light, and I love it. I love like nude lipstick or light colored lipstick. And I'm going to put some lip gloss. So this is Smuckers. Smuckers is really good lip gloss, and it also it smells really good. Like bubblegum. So there you go. So this will be our look for summer. That okay. So you can do this when you're in a beach or going for an outing or whatsoever. But this is really a pretty look, and also colorful look and fun. So just try it, okay? Bye. Hi everyone. So I'm gonna do another makeup tutorial, and this will be a colorful, fun eye makeup that we're going to do. And this look is good for summer, especially still summer. And as you see, it's colorful. It has a gold, pink, and orange on top, and it's very beautiful for summer. So the first thing that we need is I'm going to put a primer on my eye. So I'm using a Pro Primer. It's a high definition eyeshadow primer by LA Girl, and this is really cheap. I really love this primer. So just put primer on your lid, also on this part, on near the eyebrow. Okay, and just use your hand to spread it. Okay, so the next step is to get a brush, a flat brush. So this brush is perfect. Okay, and the color that I'm going to use first is the gold one. It's like a yellow gold color. I'm going to show it to you. Let's get my palette. Okay, so this will be the gold color that we're going to use. Okay, so just tap it on this part. And we're not going to put gold on all of our eyelids, so just the half of it. And this is really a pretty color for summer. It's like a yellow gold, shiny and colorful color. So colorful. Okay, and a little bit on our eyebrow. That's my phone. Okay, just this part, not the thing. And then with the same brush, just make sure it's clean with no other gold color left there. With the same brush, I'm going to use a super light pink, or like just a light pink shimmering color. This shimmer, I don't know the name of this color, but just light pink with shimmer. And just tap it on the side of the gold color we make. Just tap it there, and also just put some to blend it. Okay, and then the next color that I'm going to use is this orange. It's so pretty orange. It's really cool because we can add orange on this color, the pink and the gold. So pretty. Okay, so just put this on your crease, and the brush that you're going to use is the fluffy brush. Just put some on your crease. Just blend it. Okay, can you see the color? It's so beautiful. Okay, just blend it on your crease. Okay, and after that, what we're going to do is to this is for this part, to make it more colorful. I'm going to add another like reddish color, shimmering color. You can see that on this side only. On this part. Okay, and just to highlight this part, or the top of your crease, I'm going to use it's like champagne color. This one. Can you see that? Just put a little bit on your